Thanks for tuning in. It's Voice of the Cryptos with another exciting price update on BTC. This is the first video after hitting 10,000 subscribers, so thank you to all of my 10,000 subscribers. And if you're not yet subscribed, please click onto the subscribe button and the notification so that you don't miss out on any of this dope content. And without further ado, let's jump into the price action. Alright, so from the last video, we saw that the BTC itself is still moving within this bad pattern that we initially discussed. This being the X point, this being the beginning of this bad pattern, and we saw it move to the upside, and the price right now is over here. All eyes are focused on what's going to be happening from this point, because we got a rejection at this point, which is the PRZ marked in green over here, and we saw it move to the upside. And as soon as we got this rejection over here, we highlighted that 92 is a very key point, and once market can move above 92, then we'll know for a fact that okay, now the bulls are fully taken over. But like you see, there was a rejection that happened at 92, and the market started moving back down again. Very importantly, we see that the market is also moving within a channel. So we saw the first point of the channel being here, and the top part of the channel being established over here, a move to the downside to test the bottom part of the channel, and a move over here. But also another important part of this channel is the fact that we've not seen a test of this upward of the channel. This over here, the market did not fully get there, so then we started seeing the market crash down. So this could be indicating that the market is currently in a bear, it's in a bear cycle, and the bears might have power. So this is a key point, because now we're at an important zone, and we are looking at this bottom part of this channel to provide some sort of support for the market to potentially go back up, or we could see the market come back all the way down here, and we could be having a second test of this PRZ zone. If you have any sort of experience of what trading a bat or a Gartley pattern or any of these 5-point patterns are, you know for a fact that you do get second retest of PRZs, and this will be something which is normal. And actually entering the market on the second test is what other people actually trade as their strategy. They find it a bit more safer to do that. So once we see a violation below this PRZ zone and the market close below this X zone and goes past here, then the setup that we're trading, which is the bad pattern, which is a retracement setup, indicating that the market could potentially go back up again. Then if we don't get this rejection, or we get a move back to the downside, it means that this setup over here is invalid and the market is actually tanking down. This is not financial advice. Trading does involve risk. Consult a professional before taking any investing or trading decision. Click onto the link below. Trade with the best ATFX. Don't miss out. Thanks for tuning in. I'm out.